My name is Olivia. I am 28 years old. I am married. My husband's name is David. He is 30 years old. We have been married for 5 years. David is a kind man. He loves me. He takes care of me. He helps me when I am sick. He makes food for me. He never speaks loudly. He never gets angry. He never raises his hand. He always listens to me. He always respects me. But David does not earn much money. He works hard. He works in construction. He works long hours. He earns around $2,500 a month. But this money is not enough. I also work. I have a good job. I earn $5,000 a month. I earn more than David. He feels bad about this. I tell him, start a business. He says, I don't know how. I love David, but sometimes I feel angry. I want a better life. I want more. We do not have a big house. We do not have a nice car. We do not have a business. We live in a small apartment. We do not have expensive things. Every day I tell him, you are not like other men. Other men buy gifts for their wives. Other men have big houses. Other men have businesses. You are not a good husband. David listens. He does not say anything, but I see sadness in his eyes. David earns $2,500 a month. He gives $1,200 to his parents. He gives me $1,300. It is not enough. I need more. I feel sad and angry. One day David comes home late. I ask him, where were you? He says, I was looking for another job. I feel happy. Did you find a job? I asked. He says, no, but I will keep trying. The next day David wakes up early. He goes out before sunrise. He comes home after sunset. He looks tired. He says, I found a second job. I will work at a restaurant at night. I will earn $2,000 more. I feel happy. Good job. I say. David works 2 jobs now. He wakes up early. He comes home late. He has no time to rest. He has no time to talk. He has no time to smile. One night David comes home. He looks weak. His hands are shaking. He falls down. I scream, David, what happened? He says, I am just tired. I feel scared. I take him to the hospital. The doctor says he is exhausted. He needs rest. I feel guilty. I cry. I hold David's hand. I say, I am sorry. David smiles. He says, don't cry. My love. I realize something. David does not need to be rich. David does not need to buy gold. David does not need a fancy car. David is a good husband. David loves me. David takes care of me. That is enough. I hold David's hand. I say, I love you. He smiles. He says, I love you too. Money is important, but love is more important. I will never compare David to other men again. If you liked this story, please like, share and subscribe.